very bigger one. This is the entrance. They have given sofa, dining area, and AC in the hall. We need to remove our chapel over here. Here is the entrance to the rooms. So good. First bedroom, second bedroom. This is our bedroom. Steps to go up. What a beautiful view from outside. I think it should be the dining area. This view is so good. Can you say hi to everyone?